Hi viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are on the website of IBM.com, and on this website we are going to learn today about supply chain optimization. What is supply chain optimization? So supply chain optimization makes use of technology and resources like blockchain, artificial intelligence, AI, and the Internet of Things (IoT) to maximize efficiency and performance in a network supply network. An organization's supply chain is a critical business process that is crucial for a successful customer experience. A high performing supply chain enables business efficiency and responsiveness, so customers get what they want when and where they want it, in a way that is both profitable for the organization and contributes to supply chain sustainability. There are three phases that occur within a successful supply chain optimization process. Describes network design, processes like where warehouse facilities are located and how product flows between them, and strategic objectives like demand forecasting, establishing suppliers, and the planning and scheduling of manufacturing operations. Supply chain planning includes the creation of a strategic supply chain development plan, inventory planning, and the coordination of assets to optimize delivery of goods, services, and information from supplier to customers. Balancing supply and demand. Supply chain execution focused on execution-oriented applications and systems, warehouse and inventory management, transportation management, global trade management, and the other execution applications such as real-time decision support, supply chain visibility, and other management systems. What is supply chain optimization? Why is supply chain optimization important? Supply chains are complicated, but that complexity pays technological dividends, especially when blockchain is combined with AI or IoT. A well-designed supply chain optimization process address the following issues. Silos, supply chains can't get the insights they need because data is siloed and they lack end-to-end visibility. Ultimately, this impacts their ability to meet customer needs. A supply chain optimized through connected technology is the best solution for informational silos. Client needs. Rising customer expectations mean supply chains must innovate and optimize every step of the way to meet those needs. Streamlining the supply chain is a priority for organizations that want to continue and meet and exceed customer expectations. Competitiveness or competitive advantage. Supply chains of the past focused on network design, warehouse placement, and the distribution fleet. Today, optimization is key to building competitive advantage and protecting the brand with a focus on execution oriented applications and real-time decision support. Agility. How fast can your supply chain respond to change? Whether customer demands, competition, or supply disruptions, modern supply chains must be agile and to remain competitive. Sustainability. So supply chain have numerous environmental and social impacts. Today's customer wants to know if your goods are produced in a sustainable and ethical way using renewable or low impact extraction methods. Key features of effective supply chain optimization. Blockchain is a powerful technology, and when used in conjunction with AI or IoT, its power is dynamically enhanced. The relationship begins with blockchain in which migrates from a traditional business network and brings together the data of good quality across partners. Next, aid AI, which takes blockchain data, derives a meaningful context from it, and generates powerful insights concerning potential benefits. Meanwhile, IoT acts as the interface or sensor, working at the edge to convert the physical into virtual. Key features of effective supply chain optimization include visibility, get up to the minute with inventory tracking and available to promise data, intelligence, leverage composable data and AI services for real-time intelligence, order management, customize pricing, send costs, track orders, and manage returns, reporting and analytics, evaluate patterns and processes to forecast future demand and sales. Inventory tracking, know exactly where inventory is across the supply chain. Alright, so this is all. Thank you so much. See you soon in the next one. Before that, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more updates and share it to those who need it. Bye bye. Take care.